I sought the Lord, and he heard me and delivered me from all my fears. Psalms chapter 34, verse 4. Hey honeys, welcome back to I Need My Hair Did by Angel's Hair and Braiding, your favorite part-time braider, here to prove that looking like royalty does not have to cost you a whole paycheck. Today I'm showing you how I braid for under $100 and give you quality work. Today's style is knotless braids with some loose curls on the end. My niece wanted something very simple today. So right here, as I'm parting, I'm making sure that the part is very neat. As you can see here, I am making sure that the part is very crisp. My niece, she's suffering from allergies, so excuse all the tissue you see in the background. And she's also very tender-headed, but she wanted something simple but yet cute, so we went with the knotless. I would say these are medium-sized knotless, and you want to make sure that your base is very sleek, comb through the hair, so when you start braiding it's very easy and it slides through. As you can see here, I'm feeding in the hair for the knotless braids. And I know everybody has a different technique, but this is the technique that I use because it's convenient and easy for me. And just feed in the hair until you get the size that you desire. As you can see, I add the edge control or braiding gel as I braid the plait down, and also I show a method of tucking the hair. So I just feather the synthetic braiding hair over her hair to tuck it. And right here, I'm just tying a knot because we are going to curl the ends with some curling rods, and we're going to dip them in hot water. And then we move on to the curling rods. And this is when we dip the ends. And voila, the end result, beautiful. Please like and subscribe if you like the content.